Hi, in this video we will learn a brief history of income tax in India, its evolution and how it came into its present form. It all began in the year 1857 when the Indians fought their first war of independence. It was also called the Sepoy Mutiny. The British government required additional funding to crush the war. To do this, the then finance member, Sir James Wilson, suggested an income tax law in India. Pursuant to this law got assent of the Governor General in the year 1860, and so the Income Tax Act 1860 was the first income tax law in India. It was to be levied for only 5 years, and it became a part of the Land Revenue Department. 15 years thence, the British were again at war with Russia in the northwest province of India. In 1886, Governor General Lord Dufferin introduced another income tax in India, namely the India Income Tax Act 1886, in a new form. The coming years were of rapid political change in India. Indians were demanding self-governance. Pursuant to the Montagu-Kempsform reforms, the Government of India Act 1919 was passed. This divided the powers of the central government and state government. Income tax was placed as part of the central list or central subject. Therefore, only the central government could pass laws in respect of income tax. Pursuant to this, in 1922, an income tax law was passed, namely the Income Tax Act 1922. This remained in effect in India for a very long time. Pursuant to this act, the Central Board of Revenue was formed, and within it, various commissioners of income tax and other income tax authorities were appointed. Then, with India's independence in 1947, brought about a change in vision, dynamism, and goals. Income tax was considered an important part in nation building. In 1957, the National Academy of Direct Taxes was instituted. Alongside, a law commission was formed to study the existing income tax law and give its suggestion. The law commission suggested that the Income Tax Act 1922, which was then in force, was very complex, and the income tax law in India was to be redrafted or to be reenacted in India. Pursuant to this, in 1961, the Income Tax Act 1961 was introduced and passed by Parliament. This act, along with its amendments, is still effective in India. This act met with goals like poverty alleviation, diverting investment to backward areas, creating a savings economy. As time progressed, income tax administration in India became very cumbersome. To satisfy this need, the Central Board of Direct Taxes was instituted in 1964. This organization still administers Income Tax Act in India. Okay, in this video, we saw a brief history of income tax in India. In the next video, we will see who has the power to tax in India. I will see you in the next video.